Blood sugar spikes occur when your blood sugar rises and then falls sharply after you eat. In the short term, they can cause lethargy and hunger. Over time, your body may not be able to lower blood sugar effectively, which can lead to type 2 diabetes. Diabetes is a growing health problem. In fact, 29 million Americans have diabetes, and 25% of them don't even know they have it. Blood sugar spikes can also cause your blood vessels to harden and narrow, which can lead to a heart attack or stroke. Here are some simple things you can do to prevent blood sugar spikes. Go low carbs. Carbohydrates are what cause blood sugar to rise. When you eat carbs, they are broken down into simple sugars. Those sugars then enter the bloodstream. As your blood sugar levels rise, your pancreas releases a hormone called insulin, which prompts your cells to absorb sugar from the blood. This causes your blood sugar levels to drop. Many studies have shown that consuming a low-carb diet can help prevent blood sugar spikes. Low-carb diets also have the added benefit of aiding weight loss, which can also reduce blood sugar spikes. There are lots of ways to reduce your carb intake, including counting carbs. Here's a guide on how to do it. Eat less refined carbs. Refined carbs, otherwise known as processed carbs, are sugars or refined grains. Some common sources of refined carbs are table sugar, white bread, white rice, soda, candy, breakfast cereals, and desserts. Refined carbs have been stripped of almost all nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Refined carbs are said to have a high glycemic index because they are very easily and quickly digested by the body. This leads to blood sugar spikes. A large observational study of more than 91,000 women found that a diet high in high glycemic index carbs was associated with an increase in type 2 diabetes. Generally, whole grain foods have a lower glycemic index, as do most fruits, non-starchy vegetables, and legumes. Reduce your sugar intake. The average American consumes 22 teaspoons of added sugar per day. While some of this is added as table sugar, most of it comes from processed and prepared foods, such as candy, cookies, and sodas. You have no nutritional need for added sugar like sucrose and high fructose corn syrup. They are, in effect, just empty calories. Your body breaks these simple sugars down very easily, causing an almost immediate spike in blood sugar. Studies show that consuming sugars is associated with developing insulin resistance. This is when the cells fail to respond as they should to the release of insulin, resulting in the body not being able to control blood sugar effectively. In 2016, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, changed the way foods have to be labeled in the U.S. Foods now have to display the amount of added sugars they contain in grams and as a percentage of the recommended daily maximum intake. Keep a healthy weight. At present, 2 out of 3 adults in the U.S. are considered to be overweight or obese. Being overweight or obese can make it more difficult for your body to use insulin and control blood sugar levels. This can lead to blood sugar spikes and a corresponding higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The precise ways it works are still unclear, but there's lots of evidence linking obesity to insulin resistance and the development of type 2 diabetes. Weight loss, on the other hand, has been shown to improve blood sugar control. In one study, 35 obese people lost an average of 14.5 pounds, 6.6 kilograms, over 12 weeks while they were on a diet of 1,600 calories a day. Their blood sugar dropped by an average of 14%. In another study of people without diabetes, weight loss was found to decrease the incidence of developing type 2 diabetes by 58%. Exercise more. Exercise helps control blood sugar spikes by increasing the sensitivity of your cells to the hormone insulin. Exercise also causes muscle cells to absorb sugar from the blood, helping to lower blood sugar levels. One study found similar improvements in blood sugar control in 27 adults who carried out either medium or high-intensity exercise. One study found exercise performed before breakfast controlled blood sugar more effectively than exercise done after breakfast. Eat more fiber. Fiber is made up of the parts of plant food that your body can't digest. Soluble fiber, in particular, can help control blood sugar spikes. It dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance that helps slow the absorption of carbs in the gut. This results in a steady rise and fall in blood sugar, rather than a spike. Fiber can also make you feel full, reducing your appetite and food intake. Good sources of soluble fiber include oatmeal, nuts, legumes, fruits, such as apples, oranges, and blueberries, and many vegetables. Drink more water. Not drinking enough water can lead to blood sugar spikes. When you are dehydrated, your body produces a hormone called vasopressin. This encourages your kidneys to retain fluid and stop the body from flushing out excess sugar in your urine. One study of 3,615 people found that those who drank at least 34 ounces, about 1 liter of water a day, were 21% less likely to develop high blood sugar than those who drank 16 ounces, 473 milliliters, or less a day. Consider adding vinegar to your diet. Vinegar, particularly apple cider vinegar, has been found to have many health benefits. It has been linked to weight loss, cholesterol reduction, antibacterial properties, and blood sugar control. Several studies show that consuming vinegar can increase insulin response and reduce blood sugar spikes. One study found vinegar significantly reduced blood sugar in participants who had just consumed a meal containing 50 grams of carbs. Another study found that vinegar increased insulin sensitivity by between 19% and 34%. Get enough chromium and magnesium. Chromium is a mineral that you need in small amounts. It is thought to enhance the action of insulin. This could help control blood sugar spikes by encouraging the cells to absorb sugar from the blood. In one small study, 13 healthy men were given 75 grams of white bread with or without chromium added. The addition of chromium resulted in about a 20% reduction in blood sugar following the meal. Magnesium is another mineral that has been linked to blood sugar control. In one study of 48 people, half were given a 600 mg magnesium supplement along with lifestyle advice, while the other half were just given lifestyle advice. Insulin sensitivity increased in the group given magnesium supplements. Another study investigated the combined effects of supplementing with chromium and magnesium on blood sugar. They found that a combination of the two increased insulin sensitivity more than either supplement alone. Exercising regularly, maintaining a healthy weight, and drinking plenty of water can also have added benefits to your health beyond helping to control your blood sugar. For most people, making these simple diet and lifestyle changes is a great way to lower your risk of developing insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, please like and subscribe. Check out our free wellness challenge, the Self-Care Challenge. Don't make the one mistake that will keep you sick. Discover how you can reduce your risks for 95% of chronic diseases in just 5 moves.